Now, lighting. In our plugin, there is a lighting configuration in volumes. Let's select a volume, and under Details panel, in Lighting section, under CliperVolume, you will see Occlude Light. We're gonna talk about that. As first, let's pull this volume into the house. Now, as you see, in the house there's various indoor lights. They are configured for indoors, their exposure matched for indoors, their colors matched for indoors. So after we did a clip to here, the direct sunlight goes inside. We have a way to prevent that. Let's select the volume. Then go enable Occlude Light. This will prevent lights from outside or lights from inside to leak other way.